Hello viewers, I'm Alok and today we are going through a demo of how to run a RC motor using a Node.js server which is installed in a Raspberry Pi, and to control that RC motor we are using a AngularJS dashboard. Here we can see the AngularJS dashboard through which we can run the motor, and we have the Swagger APIs, which is the Node.js server APIs to start the motor, speed up, speed down the motor, and these APIs are consumed by this Angular application. Let's see what we have in the hardware section. In our demo we have a motor which is the RC motor 930 kV, we have a 40 amp ESC, we have a battery, and this is the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi pin number 6 is connected to the ground, which is connected to the ESC ground pin, which is the brown color pin, and the signal pin, which is GPIO 4, which is pin number 7, is connected to the ESC's yellow wire. So from that the signal is coming. So to see the server, let's see, the server is running behind. So this is the server which is running currently, and we have the Angular application which is, we need to start ng-serve. This is the command to start the AngularJS application which is running in the local. Doesn't matter because it will be connected to the Raspberry Pi to its IP address, and the IP address is set within the code. So here the AngularJS dashboard is running on localhost 4200, and which we can see here running localhost 4200. If we just refresh it, we see it is working, and the server which is running here already, where is the server? Okay, this is the server which is running currently, and here we see the Swagger documentation of that server. User group doesn't matter, only the RC motor 3 APIs which are important here. So let's start the demo. First we need to connect the power source of this RC motor. So I'm connecting the red wire of the battery to the red wire of the ESC and black wire to the black wire. Once this is connected, we should see the motor is beeping. This means that it is ready to accept the connection. So for that we need to start the engine. Start the engine internally, doing the calibration of this engine. You see, once I have started or calibrated, it has given a sound that I am connected now to give any of the inputs to this RC motor. So here we see, if we click gas up, that means I am trying to increase the speed of the motor, and you can see the motor has started now here. So here it is with its 9% capacity, the motor is running. If we go up, we went till 17%, we can go down, and then we can stop the motor using the brake. This is the complete Node.js server code which is connected to this RC motor. If we up, it is connected, we can go to its max, we can go to down, and we can stop the machine. So here we can see this demo which is running just using plain and simple Raspberry Pi, Node.js, AngularJS, and this basic connection. This is all for today's video. Let's catch up in the next video, in which we'll be seeing more of the Raspberry Pi component communication, and let's see if we can create some project out of it. Thank you.